Hello everyone, this video is part of our assignment where we are needed to share and explain about chapter 6 and chapter 7 for subject MAT112. Now, let's get to know the group members starting with the leader who is myself, Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Ros Kamariza. Matrix number is 2022450992. And followed by the members who have worked hard to complete this task, which is Siti Nur Syuhada binti Muhammadiyah 2022459196 and Muhammad Shah Ikmal bin Sujidin, matrix number 2022493438, and also Syed Muhammad Faizuddin bin Syed Adnan, matrix number 2022470008.
Introduction to Chapter 6 is annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal interval of time. Ordinary annuity certain. First, payments are made at the end of the payment period. Second, the interest and payment period are of the same interval. Annuity concept enable people to plan for the future in terms of investments and savings.
Next, introduction for chapter 7, which is trade and cash discount. Firstly, we have to know what is trading. Trading is an activity of selling goods or merchandise or services. Secondly, retailing. Retailing is an activity of selling goods directly to public or customers. Lastly, what is trade discount? Trade discount is the reduction in the retail price of products sold that arise from bulk sales or purchase, not including the additional charge.
Now, let's go into the chapter 6 question. Puan Husnia took a personal loan of 75,000 ringgit and paid equal monthly payment for 6 years at an interest rate of 3.9% compounded annually. First, find the monthly payment. Second, calculate the interest change. Third, after paying for 4 years, Puan Husnia wanted to settle the loan in full amount. How much was the amount paid? And the last one, if Puan Husnia failed to pay the first 6 monthly payments, find the amount she has to pay on the 7th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears.
Based on the question number 1, find the monthly payment. So, first of all, we need to extract the information from the question. So, the personal loan of 75,000 ringgit is A and T is 6 years because it's time. The interest rate or K is 3.9%. So compound annually is 1 because it is M. So before we calculate, we have to find N first. So M times T, we got 6. Next, we find I. Formula to find I is K divide M. So we get 39 over 100. Okay, so let's calculate the monthly payment. So, we use formula A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket negative power N and close the bracket divide with I. But the right formula is we use R because we want to find the monthly payment. So, R equal to AI over open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close the bracket negative power N and close bracket. Next, we just enter the value. So, it will be R equal to 75,000 times to 39 over 1,000 and it divide to open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 minus open bracket 39 over 1,000 close the bracket, close bracket, negative power 6 and close the bracket. After we calculate, we get 2925 over 0.205110583. So the final answer is 14,260.60 sen. So that is the monthly payment. So question number 2 is calculate the interest change. So how we want to find the interest change? Okay, so the formula is I equal to R open bracket N and close the bracket minus with A. So next, we just put the information that we already find. Then it will be 14260.60 times to 6 and minus 75,000. Then after we calculate, we get the answer is 10,563.60 ringgit. So that is interest change.
The third one is to find the amount paid. The first step is to find the N for this question. We will use the formula N unpaid equal to N total minus N paid. N total, which is 6, minus with N paid, which is 4, equal into 2. After finding out the N unpaid, the next step is to transfer all the information into the right formula. For this question, we will be using the formula AN equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I. R equal to 14,260 ringgit 60 cent, I equal to 0.039 or 39 over 1,000, and N equal to 3. After calculate, we will get the answer, which is 36,935 ringgit 43 cents. The last question is to find the amount to settle the outstanding arrears. By using the formula Sn equal to R 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. R equal to 14,260 ringgit 60 cent, I equal to 39 over 1,000, and N equal to 7. After calculate, the final answer will be 1,012,293 ringgit and 10 cent.
Chapter 7 Trade and Cash Discount. 100 copies of IT books are purchased at 69 ringgit each. The trade discount given are 12% and 8%. The cash discount terms on the invoice are 510 and N30. Question number 1. Find the single discount equivalent to the given trade discount. Number 2. Calculate the net price after trade discounts. 3. Calculate the total payment. And number 4. Determine the total discount received.
The answer 1 for question chapter 7. We must find the list price, trade discount and cost. Now, after find the list price, which is 69 ringgit, we have 2 trade discount for this question, and the discount 1 or D1 is 12%, D2 is 8%. We must change to point, and lastly, we find the cost is 0.05. After we found all of the information, we can put the formula based on the information given. The formula is SER equal to 1 minus 1 minus D1 minus 1 minus D2 times 100. After we insert all of the information, answer that have been calculated is 19.04%. The answer for the question number 2, we must calculate the net price after trade discounts. The formula net price is NP equal to LP 1 minus D1 1 minus D2. After we insert all of the information, the answer that has been calculated is 55 ringgit 86 cents.
Next, to answer question number 3, which is calculate the total payment. Firstly, we have to find the net payment using formula LP open bracket 1 minus DSER close bracket open bracket 1 minus C and close bracket. We will get 53 ringgit 7 cents. Then we have to find total payment by using the answer and times 100. We will get 5,307 ringgit. Lastly, question number 4, determine the total discount received. To answer this question, we have to use formula list price minus net payment. So, 69 will minus with 53 and 7 cents. The answer is 15 ringgit and 93 cents.
In conclusion, the Chapter 6 gives exposure to students about the benefits of planning for the future in terms of investments and savings, while Chapter 7 gives exposure about how to solve problems involving trade and cash discount, identify situations where a trader can take a loan to take advantage of cash discounts, and also know the benefits of planning for the future in terms of trade and cash discount.